is trying to stay out of trouble. With good reason. Hares rarely die of old age. A hunting goshawk will spot anything that moves. So the skittish hare freezes, barely, even breathing. Hidden in plain sight, the hawk moves on. And the hare can breathe a sigh of relief. But her home is about to transform beyond recognition. If your best bet for staying alive is camouflage, how do you cope when your world suddenly changes color? You change too. As the winter days shorten, she molts from brown to white. An incredible costume change. Once again, all she has to do is freeze. And, like magic, she vanishes. But now, a new threat. Man-made climate change means that some winter days are unseasonably warm, and snow cover can disappear overnight. Her color change is triggered not by temperature, but by day length. So now, she's desperately out of sync with her surroundings. And an easy target. Time for plan B, speed. She's lost him. But when you're this conspicuous, staying hidden isn't an option. Her kind could still have a future in this changing world. This snowshoe hare has adapted to stay brown all year round. So, his life is easier when snow is thin on the ground. The future of their species may depend on more guys like him.